For all of you following Balibaug's progress, this is where things get interesting. Hello everyone, welcome to the latest construction video update for Project Balibaug. Let us take you through how the site is progressing as of May 2026. We'll begin with Villa 1, our first completed sample villa at Project Balibaug, which is now 100% complete, offering a clear experience of the design, finishes and overall lifestyle at Balibaug. Moving to Villa 2 to 10, the core structure and major works including RCC, masonry, internal as well as external plaster, electrical, plumbing, waterproofing, POP and shingles installation are fully complete. Finishing work is now in its final stages. Tiling is nearing completion. False ceiling and paint work are progressing steadily. Doors, windows and furniture work is underway. And furniture sourced from Bali has already arrived and is ready to be installed as these villas move towards completion. At villas 11 to 20, the entire structural and primary services work is complete. Finishing activities have already begun. Waterproofing and POP are progressing well. Tiling, carpentry and fitting installation are now underway. Internal painting and final detailing will follow shortly. The restaurant building has completed its structural work and plaster work is already underway, with electrical installations currently in progress. The amenity building is advancing steadily with structure nearing completion and internal works already underway. Across site, overall infrastructure development has also started. Plot demarcation is already done. As you can see, laying of sewage treatment lines, freshwater supply lines, electricity connection has also started. Apart from this, the work for entrance gate as well as the screening wall has also begun. With the project almost 70% complete, Balibaug is now transitioning from construction to fully reliable living spaces. Thank you for staying connected with Pushpam Infra. We bring you transparent on-ground updates for Project Balibaug as we move closer towards the completion.